Good morning, everybody. It's Courtney back with another video. Today, I'm going to be talking about my number one get to get paid to site, Prize Rebel. Let me just go over a couple of things with you. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, hit the bell notification to get notified of new videos. Also, if you want to get started with Prize Rebel, use a link in my description. You get a bonus when you sign up through it. And also, brand new, I just launched my complete guide for all the Get Paid To sites and a bonus that I use every single day to make money online. So make sure you check out my brand new guide in the link in the description. So today we're going to be talking about Prize Rebel. They have it where I'm the diamond level. I'm trying to get to the top level. If I make 105 points, which is $1.05, I get 5 cents. If I do that for 5 days, I get 30 points. On my level rewards, I need 3,200 more points to get to my next reward. Here's all the surveys that you can do. There's tons and tons of surveys. If you're into surveys, you can get 1 cent for 3 minutes, 4 points for 2 minutes, 5 cents for 2 minutes. You can also come over here and you can do offers. There's, let me see, offers. You can go to AT Studios, Revenue Universe, Ascend, InBrain, MyChips, AdGate, or Toro X and do all of these offers. If you're a transplant patient, you can get 35 cents. If you can do all these guides, read and click, you get 1 cent. Sign up for sleep disorders, 30 cents. Like, you guys can make this money. Let's go to the rewards. We have all your top rewards: Amazon, Apple, Walmart, Steam, BitPay, Cold Stone. You can also go over here and choose what you want. Okay, my goal is always $5 in PayPal. Here's the testimonials. The recent activity is they've gotten a gift card, Amazon, Rolex, Roblox. This site really does pay, guys. You can invite and do a YouTube video, which is what I go over in my guide as well. If you invite your friends, you get 20% of their points. I have 122 referrals. 8281 is my total earnings for my lifetime. I've gotten 5,568 clicks. Share your link, earn points. You earn 20% commission. If they earn 100 points, which or 1,000 points, which equals $10, you'll earn 200 points, which is $2. So make sure you use the link in the description for a complete bonus and so that you get the most out of your points. You see here, I'm a big fan of Revenue Universe. My current points are 37 cents. I earned no points today. I earned no points yesterday. I've earned no points this month. This year, I've earned $4.86. My lifetime is $751.24. I've claimed 133 rewards, 122 referrals, and my referrals have not done anything today. So everybody's saying you make money off your referrals. You don't make money by doing this stuff yourself. That is not true. I don't bank on my referrals. You'll see here my referral stats. I haven't received any referrals. I've gotten clicks yesterday, but no signups. I haven't received a sign up since the end of September. Okay. And that referral signed up but didn't do anything. So it shows me how many people click my link, sign up, but don't do anything. You have got to do things, guys. You have got to make this money. So that's a quick rundown of Prize Rebel today. Like I said, go ahead and go in the description and grab my guide. It gives you all of the apps and sites that I use on a daily basis to earn money. I rotate them so I'm not always on the same app or site all the time. There's literally in my guide 27 plus ways to earn money, plus a bonus on how you can start making money yourself with digital products and a YouTube channel. So make sure you go and check that out. The link will be in the description. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure you subscribe, hit the bell notification because I'm going to be releasing more videos just like this. Have a great day, guys.